In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you change your currency on Roblox. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox app or launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website Roblox. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right. Head over to the option settings. Now scrolling down, you're going to find defense section. Under account info, you're going to find the option account location. You won't find the option to directly change your currency. In order to change your currency, you'll need to change your current location. Once you update your location, on the basis of that, the currency will also be updated. So click on the option account location and try to update it. Once you update it, on the basis of the country, the currency will also be updated. In case this solution didn't work out for you, launch your preferred browser. Now navigate to the website Roblox support. Once you're over here, you'll need to fill out this form. So firstly, type in your username, first name, email address. Likewise, confirm your email address. Make sure you have entered the email address that is linked with your Roblox account. Now select the device in which you are having this issue. Select the category and briefly describe about the issue that you are unable to update the currency. Once you fill this, you can send it. With that, Roblox support team will get back to you. And that's it. This way you are able to change currency on Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.